Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to open up a private browser in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what you need to do first of all is make sure you've obviously got Google Chrome installed. And there's two ways to actually do this. What you can do is actually open up Google Chrome as normal. And once it's loaded, if you actually come to the three dots in the top right hand corner up here and give that a click, and then go down and click onto this one which says New Incognito Window. And you'll see that it's come up saying you've got an incognito, which is basically the private browser. The second way to do it is to actually start it up completely in a private browsing mode is if you actually right click, and it's not going to work on this desktop shortcut, but if you actually drag this down into the taskbar down here, so it pins it to the taskbar, and then if you go and give that a click, a right click, and then go and click here where it says New Incognito Window, and that's going to load straight up a private browser. So rather than loading up normal Google Chrome and then going ahead and opening up an incognito browser, you can actually do it this way as well. Bear in mind, this does not fully protect you. Basically, it's not going to save things like your history and cookies, but your activity can still be visible to, for example, your internet service provider. They can still see it even though you've got an incognito. If you want to fully protect yourself, what you'll need is actually something called a VPN, which, if you click the link in the video description down below, there's actually one I personally use and recommend called VPN City. But yeah, that's basically the best way to go about private browsing. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is another link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.